Welcome back, everyone. Want to know some health benefits of drinking water every day? Well, you've come to the right place. Drinking water is often overlooked in discussions about weight loss, yet it plays a crucial role in overall health and effective weight management. Proper hydration is essential for numerous bodily functions, including digestion, metabolism, and temperature regulation. When we are adequately hydrated, our bodies can operate efficiently, which is vital for maintaining a healthy weight. Unfortunately, many people experience dehydration, often without realizing it. Common signs include fatigue, migraines or headaches, dry, itchy skin, and increased hunger, which can lead to overeating as the body misinterprets thirst for hunger. This misunderstanding can hinder weight loss efforts and contribute to unhealthy eating habits. By recognizing the importance of staying hydrated, individuals can better manage their weight and improve their overall health. Drinking water not only helps to curb appetite but also boosts metabolism, making it a powerful ally in weight loss. Additionally, water aids in the elimination of waste and toxins from the body, further supporting a healthy weight. As we delve into the various health benefits associated with drinking water, it becomes clear that this simple habit can have profound effects on our health and weight management strategies. From enhancing physical performance to improving skin health, the advantages of proper hydration are numerous. Understanding these benefits can motivate individuals to prioritize water intake as a fundamental aspect of their weight loss journey, ultimately leading to a healthier lifestyle and improved overall health. Dehydration can significantly impact our health, and recognizing its common signs is essential for maintaining proper hydration. One of the most noticeable symptoms is increased thirst, which serves as the body's way of signaling that it needs more fluids. Alongside this, a dry mouth is another clear indicator. When saliva production decreases, it can lead to discomfort and difficulty swallowing. Fatigue is also a prevalent sign of dehydration, as insufficient water intake can lead to decreased energy levels and overall lethargy. Other symptoms may include dizziness, dark yellow urine, and headaches, all of which can affect daily functioning and overall health. Understanding these signs is crucial because early recognition allows individuals to take action before dehydration becomes severe. By addressing these symptoms promptly, one can prevent more serious health issues that arise from prolonged dehydration. It's important to cultivate a habit of regularly monitoring hydration levels, especially during hot weather or after physical activity. Keeping track of fluid intake and being mindful of how your body feels can help ensure that you remain adequately hydrated. Simple practices such as carrying a water bottle or setting reminders to drink water throughout the day can make a significant difference. By staying attuned to the signs of dehydration and prioritizing hydration, individuals can enhance their overall health and energy levels as well, ultimately supporting their weight management goals and improving their quality of life. One significant advantage is its role in promoting healthy bowel movements and detoxification. Adequate hydration helps to soften stool, making it easier to pass and reducing the risk of constipation. Additionally, water aids the kidneys in filtering waste from the bloodstream, facilitating the elimination of toxins from the body. This detoxification process is vital for maintaining optimal health and preventing various ailments. Furthermore, water plays a crucial role in weight management by reducing food intake. When consumed before meals, water can create a sense of fullness, leading to smaller portion sizes and fewer calories consumed overall. This simple strategy can significantly aid in weight loss efforts, making it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Beyond weight management, drinking water is essential for sustaining energy levels. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and decreased physical performance, making it challenging to stay active and engaged in daily activities. Staying hydrated ensures that the body functions efficiently, providing the energy needed for both mental and physical tasks. Additionally, water is vital for skin health. It helps maintain skin elasticity and hydration, reducing the appearance of dryness and promoting a radiant complexion. By prioritizing water intake, individuals can enjoy these numerous health benefits, enhancing their overall quality of life. Emphasizing the importance of drinking enough water daily can lead to improved health outcomes and a more vibrant lifestyle. When it comes to hydration, the temperature of the water we consume can influence its effects on our body. Research indicates that drinking hot water may offer several digestive benefits compared to cold water. Warm water can help to stimulate digestion by promoting the breakdown of food and enhancing the absorption of nutrients. It may also aid in alleviating symptoms of indigestion and bloating, making it a soothing choice after meals. In contrast, cold water can have a different impact on the body. While it can be refreshing, especially during hot weather or after exercise, consuming cold water may temporarily constrict blood vessels and slow down digestion. This can hinder the body's ability to absorb nutrients effectively. Additionally, there is some evidence suggesting that drinking cold water may impact the immune system. Cold temperatures can cause the body to expend energy to warm the water, which may divert resources from other essential functions, including immune responses. Therefore, for optimal hydration and health benefits, warm water is often recommended. Choosing warm water over cold water can offer several compelling health benefits that enhance your overall health. One of the primary advantages of warm water is its ability to aid digestion. Drinking warm water can help to relax the digestive tract, promoting smoother bowel movements and alleviating cramps or discomfort associated with indigestion. This soothing effect can be particularly beneficial after meals, as it encourages the breakdown of food and enhances nutrient absorption. Additionally, warm water can significantly improve skin health. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and moisture, and warm water can help open up pores, facilitating the removal of toxins and impurities. This can lead to a clearer, more radiant complexion. Furthermore, warm water has a calming effect on the body, which can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. The warmth can promote relaxation, making it an excellent choice for unwinding after a long day. By incorporating warm water into your daily routine, you can create a comforting ritual that supports both mental and physical health. Lastly, staying hydrated is essential for overall wellness, as it supports vital bodily functions, including blood circulation, temperature regulation, and nutrient transport. Warm water can encourage increased fluid intake, making it easier to meet daily hydration needs. By prioritizing warm water, individuals can enjoy these numerous benefits, leading to improved digestion, healthier skin, reduced stress, and enhanced overall health. Embracing this simple change can have a profound impact on your well-being. In summary, the video highlights the critical importance of drinking sufficient water for maintaining overall health and supporting weight loss efforts. Hydration plays a vital role in various bodily functions, including digestion, metabolism, and detoxification. By prioritizing water intake, individuals can enhance their energy levels, improve skin health, and effectively manage their weight. The discussion also emphasized the common signs of dehydration, such as increased thirst, dry mouth, and fatigue, underscoring the need for regular monitoring of hydration levels. Viewers are encouraged to adopt better hydration habits, such as carrying a water bottle, setting reminders to drink water throughout the day, and considering warm water for its additional health benefits. By making these simple changes, individuals can significantly improve their overall health and support their weight management goals. As we conclude, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable health tips and insights. Your support helps us create more content that empowers you to lead a healthier lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from these hydration tips. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of staying hydrated and its positive impact on health. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content in the future. Remember, prioritizing hydration is a simple yet powerful step toward achieving your health and wellness goals. Thank you again, everyone. Bye for now.